Alright, we got a project today. Project is how to fix a clogged sink. So, I know what the problem is. It's because of my face wash. It's oil. It tends to clog things. So, oh, and not only that, that one time I got sick and was pooping myself on the toilet and I had to throw up at the same time and I threw up in the sink. TMI? It happens. Anyways, so first thing I'm going to do is turn off the water. You're going to find little valves somewhere connected to some tubies and you turn it whichever way you can to turn off water. Pretty easy on a sink. Just turned off the cold, turned off the hot. Alright, cool. I learned from last time when installing the sink thing that you're going to want a bucket or something underneath because there's going to be some water in there. It's been clogged. It's not all going to drain through. So, you're going to loosen these things up and take it off. You're going to take off what you can take off, and you're going to take things off and take them apart, and then you're going to find out what's clogging stuff. Yeah. So, you know, loosening things, because lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So I'm loosening this part, and then I'm going to loosen this part. See? It's leaking! And it smells horrible. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. So my goal is basically to take this one pipe part off, clean it out, and it should fix the leak. I mean the clogging. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby! Okay, so it might not just be the oil. It may be a lot of my hair. I can promise you this doesn't smell good or look very good. So I'm going to clean this out. And then... I'm going to... I don't know if you can see it, but there's hair just stringing down from... Yeah. So I'm going to get gloves on. Fancy that I got some right here. Wrong hand. This hand, yes. I'm gonna go ahead and take the hair out. Close up to that. Hi. Right there. You see it? Yeah, that's just grand. So we're gonna take that out. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Yeah, the hardships of being a woman, you know? Your hair just gets everywhere. Even places you never think it could go. Oh, I'm feeling so much more up there. And I really don't think I can get it all out just from here. So we might have to take out more than I anticipated. Woo! Okay, so at this point, I am now going to actually take off this whole upper portion. Give me a second. Alright, so we're back. We're back. I couldn't really show you guys, but to the part of the stopper that makes the stopper stop, I had to take that off of the back so I can unscrew this centerpiece. I guess I will try and show you. This is supposed to be informational, right? How do I take this camera off? We're all learning today. Okay. So, the stopper I had to loosen and just pull off of this, which actually controls your stopper. See? Ta-da! Yeah? Okay. So, now we're gonna just take it all off. Take it all off, baby. Okay. Look out, Tubi bro, you're in my way. So we're gonna spin it off until we can clean this part as well. Come on. Because this is the main part that all the hair and gunk is stuck in. Okay. Alright, come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like it's unscrewed, it's stuck by other things. Oh my goodness, help me. Oh. Oh yeah, the stopper's still connected to it. Oh, pooey. I forget. Okay, so basically now I have to unscrew this part to make it so the stopper isn't holding it onto the sink. Okay. Oh, I gotta clean every little bit of this. Okay, so now the stopper's not connected. Oh my gosh, it's the Grudge. How dare they come into my home. I seriously installed this just a couple months ago, you guys. So I'm cleaning all of this. All of this is gonna be cleaned off. All of that hair is gonna be taken out. Oh, wow. But hey, it's really not that hard to unclog your sink and take it apart. What's hard is facing the facts. That's all hair. That is all hair. That's not a tube. Okay? That's all hair. I had no idea all my hair went down the sink. It's not like I intentionally just throw all my hair in the sink, you guys. Okay. Now that I'm done admiring that. Oh, hello, camera. Can you please get in your spot? Thanks. I appreciate your assistance. Okay, so now I'm getting the glove back on and a garbage. Alright, oh, pardon me. And I'm gonna... How does this happen? Is this real life? So that's in the garbage now. I'm just gonna get the extra stuff off of all the other piping, and then we'll be back. Alright, I took apart a lot more than I anticipated, than I originally thought I had to, because it went a lot further than I thought. Anywho's, let's move this gunk bucket. Are you a gunk bucket? So I took this bottom portion out, the main first tubey. It's another just a little bit of twisty things, you know? I mean, I'm sorry I didn't show you, but if you just do it, you understand it's common sense. You untwist something, you pull something out, it's alright. So I'm putting it back in. And tightening that. One step down, buddy boy. And then there's this part that goes on the top of that, but hold on. Missing a seal. A seal was on there. Which way does it go? I am guessing. I'm guessing. So we put that back on there with the little sealy thing too. Yeah, right on that tube. Oh, did you see that? Did you see what I did? Let's zoom up on there. So this, ooh, can I see what I'm doing? Okay. So this seal, this guy, focus, focus, this guy, put him right on there. Okay, beautiful, yes. We're getting somewhere. So I cleaned out all the piping, all the tubies, and let me just say that they were disgusting. Now, not so much. I couldn't really get too far down in there. I need a good little bristle thing, but I don't have it. So keep that in mind if you do this. So gathering back all the parts. Okay. So let's start with so I can't really remember fully which one goes on what, like which of these ones goes on that one, but I'm gonna assume it's not the one that has this on it, because it goes like that. Woo! I'm a genius. Alright. So we're putting that back on here, pulling this guy up, and we're just gonna twist it back on. Come on. You got this. Come on. That's right. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. Okay, cool. Let's feed this thing back through the sink. I'm having too much fun. Okay. So this is the seal for the top of the sink. We're just going to drop her in. I try to clean as much as I could. drop her back in there. Alright, awesome. Let's do that. And then this goes like this, I'm pretty sure. No, it goes like this. It goes like this. And then this is going to have to drop through once we put it in. Oh, right. I feel like I'm missing a part. Why do I feel like I'm missing a part? Do I know what I'm doing? Not really. I just take it on like life. I don't really know what I'm doing, but heck, I'm going to give it a shot. So I know this part drops through as well, like so. Yeah. So that's through there. Oh, I didn't really clean off the inside of this. I didn't think about. Okay, so I'm just gonna wipe it out. Still so much cleaner than it was. Just gonna say. Okay, cool. Cool. Alright. So, put her back up there. Oh, yes, I see. Okay. I knew it had spit onto something. So, this bottom portion, I don't know if you can see. No, that's not going to help you. I'm sorry. So, I got that fed up in there, but now I have to screw them onto each other so they hold on tight. Hold on tight, babies. Hold on tight. Okay. So, that's on there. Now, I'm going to take you off of here. Okay. All right. We're getting somewhere. Bear with me. So, we got that on the center thing. So the little bulb part is going to go back in here. And you have to make sure this goes through the plug. So I'm going to have to, I don't even know if that connected to it. So basically I'm just showing you what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be putting this through here and twisting this on to there. But I got to make sure that the plug is connected to it. So I can't hold the camera and do all that at the same time. I'm sorry. I don't have 3-4 hands. Okay. So how do I make sure? I'm going to basically start by dropping this in the center there to where I know where it's positioned. So as soon as I put this in, it'll go through. You understand? That's what you're trying to do. Make sure that this goes through that. So yet you have control of lifting up the plug and putting it down. Does it make sense to you? Okay. So. Just making sure this is in position. I just realized what the holes were on the top of that thing for is because, oh, I'm not going to explain. Sorry. Out of my pay grade. Okay. Alright, so it's in position. We're going to put this bad boy on. And thread her in. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just tightening her up. Okay, cool beans. Awesome sauce. Okay, on to the next part. I'm missing something. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I had it on the wrong way. I'm just that smart. Okay, let's see if I can position you to see this without me having to pick up the camera. So shorten up your cup. Okay. Oh, whoa. Okay, wrong way. There we go. All right, I will try to stay out of the way. So we put that back on there. Well, this doesn't make any sense. It's taller than it used to be. Did I do this wrong? Yeah, I did. Put on the wrong parts on the wrong part, didn't I? I think so. Yeah, I did. Or maybe I didn't. Oh no, what did I do? Am I missing a piece? Help. Somebody help. I don't see any other parts. Okay, What? Okay, give me a second. I figured it out. It's okay. It only took me a second. This went up a lot further than I thought it did. So, screwing on the first part right here. On to the next part. Whoa. 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 This is quality stuff right here, in case you didn't know. Okay, just gotta position it right. Come on. Come on, get on there. Help me out here. Give me a break. That Kit Kat, okay. Am I doing this wrong? I'm pretty sure I got that right. I mean, it's in the right vicinity. Oh yeah, okay. Just, you know, move around till you get it. Alright, so we're tightening it all up. We're tightening it all up. Make sure she's good. Make sure she is good. Okay. All tightened up. All is good. I forgot this back part. Putting that on right now. You can't see it, but that would have been bad if I didn't do that. Okay. Tightened up. Tightened up. Tightened up. Okay. So I officially unclogged my sink. Woo! Okay. Okay. Now I wish I did a before of how bad it was clogged, but I didn't. My bad. My bad. I'm trying to make the camera go up, but it's a little bit. Okay. Give me issues. Okay. So here we are. I'm going to turn the water back on. That's cold. And that is hot. Check this out. Oh, excuse me. Alright. Ready? Ready, Freddy? It's immediately draining! It is not filling up the sink with nasty abyss. This has been another project with Hannah D. And we did it. We did it.